Today I'm going to be giving you 7 proven ways to get you 10,000 followers in 2021 coming up. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Quincy and I help you grow your following on TikTok. So if you want to increase your followers and grow your account, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you came to the right channel. But before I begin, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last video. I want to give a shout out to Rachel Garlic and also Team Moana. Thank you guys for commenting and staying engaged on my videos. I really appreciate it. If you would like to be featured as a comment winner on my next video, please comment on this video with your questions, concerns, or even just commenting your username for TikTok and any things that you might want to talk about. All right? On with the video. So I'm gonna be sharing with you things that I've done to grow my following to what it is right now. And just recently, I gained 4,000 followers within the last week. And I didn't even make a video. So I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, so number 1, I know we like to scroll the For You page, right? About 16 grand. But instead of just scrolling the For You page, if you like a video, I would comment on the video, but use the For You page to heart and like videos that you can see yourself doing as well. This way, it creates an archive for you in your liked video sections. So every time you go to your liked videos, you see 10 or 15 videos, ideas that you can make. So I could comment on this video right now, or I could say, oh wow, you know what? Let me like this one because I can see myself talking and I can see myself finding a video with Paul Walker on it and making the same type of video whether I use Final Cut Pro or iMovie. Another video will be like this one right here. He's making an Uber video and I've seen this video before. Now I could comment on it, you know, or you know what, if I have a couple of friends, we could actually make the same video. So I'm gonna go ahead and like it. So when I go to my heart section or my like section, I see right now my top 6 videos are videos that I can make, you know, ideas that I can do a video off of, or videos that inspire me to make something just like it. Number 2, do more than one video version of a trend. I've seen Charli D'Amelio use the same song and do the same trend 3-4 times in a row and post them to her account. Now, mind you, they may have been in different rooms, different locations, one inside the house, one outside, one somewhere else, but the same trend, the same video, the same music, you know, and they get the same amount of likes, or even some, the second or the third one, you know, went higher. So don't just do the trend one time, do it in a couple of different locations, you know, a couple of different sceneries. Don't feel like you have to do it one time and hey, I tried it, that's it. Number 3, create a series or part 2s to your most popular videos. So if you have a video and it's starting to take off, or it's trending on the For You page, or it's even going viral, don't try to create something totally different. Create a part 2 and even put that in the description, you know, this is part 2 to a previous video. And number 4, which I've done recently and even talked about on my last video, reshare your most popular video in about a month later. Reason being is because in 1 month's time, you have millions of new users on the platform that have not seen that video on their For You page. I recently did this, and I'll put it up again. And this video right here is almost at 30,000 likes, and this is what I was talking about earlier. Got me 4,000 new subscribers. I was actually sitting at 333,000 for a little while, and I scrolled through my most popular videos, and I posted this one right here. And I got 4,000 new subscribers off of it in about 5 days. I kid you not. Number 5, this is what's hurting most people on TikTok. When you have a viral video, don't post another video till about 2 or 3 days, unless it's a thank you video. The reason why I say this is because you want to make sure you're able to engage and comment back on all of those comments that you're getting on that viral video. This is going to help convert viewers to followers. So you have a viral video, you see it has 1,000 likes, the next thing you know, it has, you know, 20,000 likes. You want to make sure you're commenting, engaging, because that's actually going to boost your engagement rate, which is what brands see when they want to partner with you and they pay you for deals. They look at your engagement rate. So you want to take advantage of that commenting and that engagement back and forth on that viral video before just posting something different and it going nowhere. And usually what happens is people will look at your viral video, go to your profile, see your next video and be like, yeah, I like this viral video, but I really don't want to follow this person if this is the type of content they make. So make sure, wait 2 or 3 days, soak up all that engagement, engage as much as you can with the people that are commenting, and this will help increase your conversion ratio from viewers and commenters or likers to followers. Number 6, the top 2 features to use in 2021 are stitch and duet. And as I mentioned in the previous video, you want to be stitching a lot of videos, because if they're already on the For You page and you stitch that video, the front part of that video is already on the For You page, and so when you stitch it, it's pretty much going to land on the For You page as well. Number 7, one of the things many people don't do that could be hurting them as well is when you have a viral video, make sure you go live once you see that it's taken off. These same people that are commenting and liking and looking at that viral video will see the circle around your live, throbbing, if I could say, and oh wow, they're live right now. Go into your live, start commenting, saying, hey, I'm watching your video right now, and then once you comment back, on your live, they're following you because, oh, this person actually commented back, And if you ever notice, when you make a video, people are still putting first, second, third, does he reply back? Does she reply back? They really want to know because they don't have a lot of people that are replying back that have a large following. And so, or even maybe you're a small scale, maybe you only have 5,000, maybe you only have 1,000 or 2,000, followers, and you go live, comment, back in that live, and they can see, oh, this person actually responds back. Hey, these are some things that I would definitely try, guys. Okay, don't sleep on this. There is no quick way to get all of these followers unless you buy them, and I highly recommend you do not do that. All right, guys, 7 ways that will get you 10,000 followers in the next couple of weeks. Try that. Let me know if it worked. I know it will. I have about 10 to 15 people that I've helped to get to a high following count. Some are probably going to comment on this video. I do not charge right now. This is all just tips and tricks that I am trying to give you to help you out. It does not hurt to try them, because once your account starts growing, you will be like, man, it's working, it's working. So hey, all right, I will see you on the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. That way I can keep bringing you content just like